Good afternoon. We're at 1817 North Medford. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. We've got ourselves a really nice turnkey bungalow here. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It's a little over 700 square feet. But as you can see, it's been redone on the inside. New flooring, paint, etc. The kitchen's been redone. So let's take a quick look around at this one that's just ready to go and start earning passive income for you guys. The kitchen area here, it's a little small. There's not really, other than this little area corner over here, is about the only space you'd have for eating in for your kitchen. But you've got all the space that you need for your range over here and your refrigerator over here. And back through this way is backyard and the basement, which we'll go take a look at in just a moment. Over on this side of the house are the 2 bedrooms. For a house of this size, these bedrooms are actually in pretty decent shape and pretty good sized as well. We take a look at the windows on here. What you'll see is that these are the original windows on the property. And here is our 2nd bedroom on the back here. We got a little bit of a dip here in the ceiling. Doesn't look like it's anything that is active, but something we certainly want to take a look at during the inspection. And then again, a nice closet here and here for the room. Bathroom here. It is a full bath. It's definitely small, what you would expect for this size of house. But again, the house is really clean. It's in pretty good shape. You know, it's an older house. So obviously with all this fresh stuff on here, it's gonna show a lot better because of that. So we'll wanna make sure from an inspection perspective that everything checks out. But overall, it really looks like it's in good shape. Basement down here, it's nice and dry. It's got new 100 amp service. So new box. And then let's walk around this side over here so you can get a better view of the mechanicals. Water heater isn't, well, it's not new, but it's new-ish and looks to be in pretty decent shape. And the furnace, I would say the same thing. But the foundation down here looks to be the original. No real concerns that I'm seeing from just walking around. Okay, here we go. Here's some new, is that new subflooring? Nope, it's not new subflooring. Just some new paint over it. Let's see what we got down here. Some storage. Yep. But it's really dry down here. Great for storage. Could even, maybe turn it into some sort of a recreational hangout or something along those lines. No possibility for a bedroom, unfortunately, because there is no egress from it. Let's see if we can. All right, we'll head out into the backyard. Backyard is fenced. We have a exterior structure here for storage. Don't believe it might be big enough for a car, a small car. We'll see what the door looks like on the opposite side. No, there's no door here, and there was a tree there. So this is really just a storage shed. Got a little bit of a issue from that tree. You got some of the wood that's been replaced on it. We'll take a look at the back of the house. We'll do a little bit of a walk around as well. Roof looks to be in good shape. A little bit of turning up of the shingles from the back here, but probably just some patchwork that's been done. Siding looks to be in Good shape. It's aluminum siding, so definitely some age on that. It wears well. It just doesn't always look the greatest. A little bit higher maintenance, but it does definitely wear well. Again, the exterior window of these windows, these are the original wood windows, so we just want to make sure that those are in good functioning shape. Here we are around the front of the house. Nothing that's jumping off the page. That's a real critical issue here. Probably some minor upkeep things, but I don't see anything that gives an indication of leaks or any other types of breaches around. So overall in good shape. Again, this is, in our opinion, really a turnkey property. Inspection might reveal some things that need to be taken care of, but for the most part, this one is ready to go for you. All right, let us know if you have any questions, and have a fantastic day. Thanks a lot.